place to hide, a safe place somewhere in the woods we can start a fire. All we know is what will be our home. We will stay till break of dawn.
All rise. Thank you. Please be seated. Welcome. This is a day of celebration. We have gathered today in the love of friends and family to celebrate the joining together of these two lives. Thomas Malloy Wright and Laurie Morgan Kirkpatrick stand before you here today as two individuals, but they will leave as one united in marriage. Marriage is not an end, but a beginning. It is not a perfect beginning. It is not a clean slate. Marriage is a process that requires growth. Marriage is a bold step into an unknown future. It is the risking who we are for the sake of who we can be. These two are willing to take that risk because they believe in their love. Thomas and Laurie, what you promise to each other today must be renewed again tomorrow and every day that follows. Nothing is easier than saying words. Nothing is harder than living them day by day. At the end of this ceremony, legally, you will be husband and wife. But still, you must decide each and every day to commit yourselves to one another. Make that decision and keep on making it. For the most important thing in life is to love and be loved. Thomas, will you accept Laurie as your wife your best friend, and your faithful companion for life? Will you give her your whole heart without reservation? And will you promise to do everything in your power to strengthen this bond of love with the best of all that you are from this day forward?
I will.
Laurie, will you accept Thomas as your husband, your best friend, and your faithful companion for life? Will you give her your whole heart without reservation? And will you promise to do everything in your power to strengthen this bond of love with the best of all that you are from this day forward?
I will.
Thomas and Laurie have selected a reading, The Key to Love. The author is anonymous. The key to love is understanding, the ability to comprehend not only the spoken word, but those unspoken gestures, the little things that say so much by themselves. The key to love is forgiveness, to accept each other's faults and pardon mistakes without forgetting, but with remembering what you learned from them. The key to love is sharing, facing your good fortunes as well as the bad, together, both conquering problems, forever searching for ways to intensify your happiness. The key to love is giving, without thought of return, but with the hope of just a simple smile, and by giving in, but never giving up. The key to love is respect, realizing that you are two separate people with different ideas, that you don't belong to each other, that you belong with each other and share a mutual bond. The key to love is inside all of us. It takes time and patience to unlock all the ingredients that will take you to its threshold. It is the continual learning process that demands a lot of work, but the rewards are more than worth the effort. And that is the key to love. Thomas and Laurie have written vows for each other that they're going to share with you right now.
Laurie, every challenge we have faced since I met you has reinforced the truth that you give me peace and love and strength no matter the obstacle. There will be more obstacles, more work. Indeed, love is work, but thankfully, loving you is my dream job. Being your hero is the highest honor I will ever receive, no matter what I achieve in my life. I said it when we were in a relationship, I said it when we got engaged, and now I say it again a third time because it is true. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. It is in that spirit that I vow to you to try my best every single day to be the best thing that ever happens to you.
Thomas, I love you. So thank you for loving me despite all my faults. And I will continue loving you with my whole heart and never take your love for granted. I promise to be by your side always. And I promise to love you and to help you and to encourage you in all that you do and all that we do together. I will share your laughter and your tears as your partner and your best friend. And I will love and cherish you for the rest of our days, because it is a privilege to get to love you.
The wedding ring is the outward and visible sign of an inward and spiritual bond that unites two loyal hearts in endless love. May these rings always remind you that it was love that brought you together, and it is love that will keep you together through all of the seasons of your lives. Repeat after me, Thomas. Laurie, I give you this ring
Laurie, I give you this ring.
Wear it with love and joy.
Wear it with love and joy.
As this ring has no end,
As this ring has no end,
neither shall my love for you.
neither shall my love for you.
I choose you to be my wife,
I choose you to be my wife,
this day and forevermore.
this day and forevermore.
And Laurie, repeat after me. Thomas, I give you this ring.
Thomas, I give you this ring.
Wear it with love and joy.
Wear it with love and with joy.
As this ring has no end,
As this ring has no end,
neither shall my love for you.
neither shall my love for you.
I choose you to be my husband,
I choose you to be my husband,
this day and forevermore.
this day and forevermore.
Have you ever wondered where the words tying the knot come from? The expression tying the knot refers to the tradition Celtic marriage. It's a ritual of hand fasting. Hand fasting is an ancient Celtic word for wedding and was recognized as a binding contract of marriage between a man and a woman before weddings became a legal function of the government or a responsibility of the church. After the wedding vows and the ring exchange, the couple's hands were bound together with a cord that was tied, a love knot, signifying the joining of their lives in a sacred union. Today, hand fasting is a symbolic ceremony to honor the couple's desire for commitment to each other and to acknowledge that their lives and their destinies are now bound together. Thomas and Laurie, please join your hands. And with your hands, join your hearts. As you clasp hands, cross them, they form an eternity symbol, which illustrates your eternal love for one another. Thomas and Laurie, this cord is a symbol of the life you have chosen to live together. Up until this moment, you have been separate in thought, word, and deed. But this cord is tied together, so you and your lives have become intertwined. With this cord, I bind you to the vows that you've made to one another. With this knot, I tie you heart to heart, together as one. Thomas and Laurie, today you have pledged your lives and yourselves to a lifetime of devotion. May this be a commitment made in love, kept in spirit, lived in home, and eternally renewed. It is our hope that you will go through life loving, trusting, supporting, and cherishing one another completely and forever. Because you have made these promises to your one true love, it is with great joy and a full heart that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Please seal your union with a kiss. Friends and family, I present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Thomas and Laurie Wright.
Stop here. One more. What?
This is all infinite message. These are all new lights in my life. I upgraded big time.
You good?
So it feels good when you're like,
You look beautiful, honey.
no.
You look nice.